Sustainability meets sleek designs and long-lasting materials with our bamboo tabletops. Making the most sustainable choice is at the front of many people's minds in all aspects of life, and it was certainly at the top of ours when we developed this collection. Our bamboo tabletops are our most eco-friendly products to date, and a byproduct of our mission to improve our footprint and produce more sustainable products. They're also extremely stylish and durable. Their 15-year warranty guarantees this. These durable features mean that the look of your tabletop will be maintained throughout the years, backed up by their scratch and water resistance. You can choose between light matte and dark gloss tabletops in our bamboo range, depending on your preferred style. Our light matte tops have a rustic design with a stylish wood grain, while the dark gloss is sleek and warm in look. No two are identical, with each containing its own unique characteristics. All of our bamboo tabletops come with pre-drilled holes, making installation a breeze, and are compatible with any desk frame. Why not go sustainable and pair one of our electric standing desks with a bamboo tabletop? It's our guarantee that you won't regret it. Visit progressivedesk.com for more information about our bamboo tabletops, alongside our entire range, including standing desks and accessories.